Divide 861 by 7 in long division method. 7 times 1 is 7. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 6 and it is 16. 7 times 2 is 14. On subtracting, we get 2. So again, this 2 is less than 7. So we put down this 1 and it is 21. 7 times 3 is 21. On subtracting, we get 0. So 861 divided by 7 is 123. So this much for today and thanks for watching.